In this video, we will use determinants in order to find the area of a triangle. So a triangle has 3 points. You could have x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And the formula is as follows. Now it's important that the vertices will be listed counterclockwise, and I'll show you what I mean. So as an example, this is 3 points, -2, 4, 4, -4, -3, -5, and we want to find the area of this triangle right here. Now, like I said, we have to start counterclockwise. And I can choose any point. I can start from here, here, and here. It doesn't really matter, but it has to be counterclockwise. In this example, I'm going to go from here. But I'll also go from these 2 points very quickly. So we have our point -2, 4. And so x1, y1 will be -2, -4. And we have to go counterclockwise. So we will go in this direction, counterclockwise. So x2, y2 will be -3, -5, and x3, y3 will be 4, -4, and then we simply plug in here into this equation right here. So A is equal to 1/2, parentheses our matrix, x1, x2, y1, y2. x1 is -2, and x2 is -3, y1 is 4, and y2 is -5. Plus the next matrix, which is x2, x3, y2, y3. So x2 is -3, and x3 is 4, -3, 4. y2 is -5, and y3 is -4, -5, -4. Plus the third matrix, x3, x1. x3 is 4, and x1 is -2. And y3, y1. y3 is -4, and y1 is 4. So now we need to use a determinant. So -2 times -5 is 10, minus parentheses 4 times -3 is -12, plus the next determinant. -3 times -4 is 12, minus parentheses -5 times 4 is -20, plus the next determinant. 4 times 4 is 16, minus parentheses -4 times -2 is +8. So 10 minus 12 is 22. 12 minus 20 is 32. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 32 plus 8 is 40. 40 plus 22 is 62. 62 divided by 2 is 31. So this is 31 units squared. Now you may say that you don't really believe this equation. And I can solve for area using another equation. And I will use Heron's formula, which you typically learn in geometry. So first, we need to determine the distance of this, the distance of this, and the distance of this. So the distance of -2, 4 to 4, -4. This distance right here. So I'm using the distance formula, and I get 10. Next, we need this distance, just to prove it, -2, 4 to -3, -5. And I get the square root of 82. Finally, the distance between -3, -5 and 4, -4, which will be 5 square root of 2. Again, I'm just confirming this answer using geometry, which I made a past video going over Heron's formula. So I first get S, which is our semi-perimeter, which is this value. Then I plug into Heron's formula, and I get 31 units squared. And like I said before, our starting point could be here, here, or here, but it has to be counterclockwise. So in this example, I'm starting here. I'm not going to go over it, but if you want, you can pause the video and see my work. Likewise, I started from here, and if you want, you can pause the video and see my work. And that's pretty much it regarding using a determinant in order to find the area of a triangle.